Saving money for your children involves planning for their future needs, such as education, health care, and other expenses. Here are some effective strategies. Start by setting clear financial goals for your children, such as saving for college or a special event. Determine how much you need for each goal, and which is going to help you plan for your savings accordingly. All right, now create a dedicated savings account specifically for your children's needs. Consider options like a high yield savings account or a 529 college savings plan, which offers tax advantages for education expenses. All right, automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to this dedicated account. Now, treating these transfers as mandatory expenses ensures consistent contributions. All right? Involve your children in the savings process. Teach them about the money management system by setting up a savings goal for something that they want, helping them understand the value of saving. All right? Now, look for opportunities to save on everyday expenses. Consider using discounts, cashback programs, or coupons for purchases related to your children. All right? Now, additionally, encourage family and friends to contribute to your child's savings for birthdays or holidays instead of gifts. Now, by following these strategies, you can effectively save for your children's future and basically provide them with valuable financial support.